this is Azaz Chima. I congratulate Synergy Education Faisalabad for completing their first year with such a great success. And I must say that they are not a conventional institute. They are different in all aspects. Well done to the Synergy management. All the best wishes.
Assalamu alaikum, this is me, Aisha Disham, and I'm hosting a current affairs news show on Neo News. I would like to congratulate Team Synergy for this wonderful initiative. I must say they are very professionals, very dedicated to their work, and they are delivering excellence in their field. Wish you all the very best.
I'm head of station Radio Mass FM 103. I want to extend my gratitude to Team Synergy. It is one of the exceptional institutions I have seen. जब भी आप किसी ट्रेडिशनल कोचिंग हाउस एकेडमी के बारे में सोचते हैं तो कुछ खास सी चीज़ें आती हैं, लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत सिक्योर है, हेल्दी है और खास करके इसकी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन.
My name is Ruab Rashid and I'm a business A2 student. I joined Synergy at the start of my A2 for like 5 to 6 months. It was a great experience, to be very honest.
My name is Zohaib and you see me on City 42 in Banam Sarkar. I congratulate all the team and administration of Synergy Faisalabad, and trust me, this is a wonderful initiative by the team Synergy Faisalabad and you will never regret to be part of it. Keep it up, Team Synergy.
As being a private student, I was really scared at first that this year is gonna be so much difficult for me. But Synergy made it possible that I am satisfied and a happy student right now.
This is Fatma Sahil and I would like to congratulate Team Synergy for this great initiative. They are all very seasoned professionals who are, committed to delivering excellent performance in their field.